Autopilot Marketing Enterprise App. The pros, the cons. If your enterprise is looking to automate customer journeys and streamline marketing campaigns, Autopilot Marketing Enterprise might seem like the ultimate tool. But does it really deliver? Let's take a closer look. On the positive side, Autopilot offers a visual journey builder that makes it easy to map out complex customer workflows. Its standout feature is multi-channel automation, allowing teams to send emails, SMS, and in-app messages seamlessly. Many companies report faster campaign execution, improved lead nurturing, and better engagement thanks to its intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Another advantage is integration with CRMs, analytics tools, and e-commerce platforms, ensuring customer data flows smoothly across systems. However, there are drawbacks. Pricing can become steep for larger teams, and some users note that advanced reporting and segmentation features require a learning curve. Another limitation is that while Autopilot automates workflows, it doesn't replace strategy campaigns, still require thoughtful planning and audience targeting to be effective. Most people get this wrong. They assume automation alone boosts conversions. The surprising truth is that successful campaigns combine automation with clear messaging, testing, and strategic audience insights. In conclusion, Autopilot Marketing Enterprise App is a powerful solution for businesses aiming to automate marketing workflows, improve engagement, and track performance efficiently. It saves time, enhances consistency, and integrates well with other tools. But to achieve real results, teams need strategy monitoring and thoughtful execution. For enterprises ready to combine automation with insight-driven marketing, Autopilot can be a game changer.